to recreate this tutorial. Babes, I'm loving this tutorial so much, because it's a little bit different from what I usually do, and I use pinks and blues, but it turned out to be a purple one, so it's really confusing, but it's really nice because I just love this so much. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, it's really important. Subscribe my channel, follow me on Instagram, follow me on my blog too, because I'm more active there now. So yeah, come with me. So today for this look, I'm going to use the Jim Charles palette, and for this look I'm going to need some colors, and these are the colors. I'm going to use this pink, I'm going to use this one right here. This is it's a purple color, shimmery purple color. It's so beautiful. My god, it's so beautiful. And I'm going to use these one too. These twos. This one's called Playground. It's so cute. And I'm going to use this one too. Ring light. So for this look, it's this. Yes. With a very fluffy brush, we're going to pick the rose one, and I'm going to pack this in my inner corner. Let me just zoom this a little bit. And bring this color into the crease. Don't forget to blend it too, it's really important too, okay? Right, like this, and now I'm going to pack the blue one with the same brush right here. My outer corner, and let's do this V line, okay? Do some movements like this, start shaping the V line, and bring this color as well into the center of your lid, okay? Then we'll going to blend all of this. Well, we can blend it right now. Then with a fluffy brush as well, with some color base on it, like for example a nude. Very, very nude. We're going to cut this color like this. Start reshaping the V line. And now we're going to do the opposite down below. So we're going to use pink here and blue here. So let's do it. I'm going to just use like a pencil brush. I'm going to pack blue here until the center of your lashes, like this. And now pink. And now the shimmering colors. I'm going to use that one. And I'm going to pack this color into the pink. So my god, I love the shimmers. And now I'm always saying and now, but it's just like I'm going to pack this one right here. and here too. And now I'm going to use this lip contour by Huda Beauty in the color Bombshell, and the lipstick it's Bombshell too. Yes. So let's build this. And now for this baby here, I'm going to just I didn't forget for mascara, okay guys, so I'm going to use this one by Lancome. And I'm going to apply upper lashes and down lashes. And that's it, angels, that's it. Let me just, okay. And that's it. I really hope you guys like this tutorial because I just love this so much. And the lipsticks by Huda, the Morphe palette, I just love this palette so much. And this look itself, it's really beautiful, and I really hope you guys like it, like I did. And don't forget, give me a thumbs up, it's really important for me. Subscribe my channel, follow me on Instagram. I will let everything down below on the description box, and my blog too. I will link my blog too, okay? New post coming soon, guys. So I'll see you next video.